Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the right-click not working issue on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing a problem where the right-click function is not responding on your Windows 11 system, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. Begin by searching for mouse in the Windows search bar and then navigate to the mouse settings. Within these settings, ensure that your primary mouse button is set to the left button. Next, perform a right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, find and click on the Accessibility tab. Scroll down the page until you locate the Mouse section and click on it. Here, you need to verify that mouse keys is turned off. If you see a switch for mouse keys, make sure it is in the off position. This is a crucial step, so confirm that this switch is indeed off. Following this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the category labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices. For each item listed under this category, right-click and select the option to update drivers. Repeat this process for all the mice and other pointing devices you see listed. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.